Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa cemetery. Bibisitahin namin yung grandparents or grandparents. Bibisitahin namin yung lola at lolo ng mga anak ko. Ayan. Ayan yung mga kapatid nila. Yan yung anak ng asawa ko guys. Say hi girls! That's Kaylee.
Look,
Wearing blue, and that's Caitlin wearing yellow.
Gummy bear, so cute. So pretty. It's like a real gummy
Here's
bear.
their Lola and Lolo. Say hi, Johanna.
Hi.
Hi, Kiana.
Hi. Hey, look at that tiny baby. That's not a baby.
Uy, do not touch it.
It's an angel.